Mansu production. CLAUDIO
Mininu Mansu.
Mansu's on fire.
And this time,
Representing Parlamento Sotavento.
hey yo,
Tanto Picciga Brava.
I don't know, man. This time he got it down for everybody.
That's right, I'm back. Y'all ready for this, huh? To sit back and enjoy the vibe. Let it rip. Novo era, tempo que toda pra espera. Onde tudo alguém tinha tempo pra xintar com seus amigos. Conta história, tempo antigo. Hoje que toda pra espera, nem café na bulo. Tudo fica na rabata pulo. Mundo revidado, tudo está descontrolado. Relação que toda pra conta. Estava tapando, vi que nova de fight back. Pergunta que ele cusei, quintes lampa me fandata. Oye mamacita, suavecito que me rompe los huesitos. No quiero que despierte el pobrecito maridito. Me necesitas, me llama, vengo corriendo. Termino mi trabajo, para la calle voy volando. Nada enfermizo, mucho menos compromiso. Pero no te creas, mami, a mí me encanta el movimiento que tú haces. Es que nosotros lo llamamos movimiento fight back.
Chickies on the wild ride, chickies on the wild ride. Chickies really do fight back, fight back. Fighting in the bed, fighting in the bed, in the living room, fight back. Oh me, chickies on the wild ride, chickies on the wild ride. Chickies really do fight back, fighting in the bed, fighting in the bed, in the living room, fight back. Oh me, chickies on the wild ride, chickies on the wild ride. Chickies really do fight back, fighting in the bed, fighting in the bed, in the living room, fight back. Oh me.
Okay, maybe it's time to explain, cause it ain't easy. So listen good, cause it goes like this. I really hate violence, but don't get me wrong, cause in bed I really like it when they do fight back. Get it? You pick it up, flip it over, up and down, sideways, kick it up, turn it up, and kick it. Get it? So I repeat, I really hate violence, but in bed I really like it when they do fight back. So fellas, just lay back and enjoy the
Why should we
ride.
have to fall and take it all the way? Why won't we just get up and fight it too? Though we rock the world, they know it's true. It's time to get up on the show, baby. We have to show them glory, alright. So ladies, let us all rock them all.
Chickies on the wild ride, chickies on the wild ride. Chickies really do fight back, fighting in the bed, fighting in the bed, in the living room, fight back. Oh me, chickies on the wild ride, chickies on the wild ride. Chickies really do fight back, fighting in the bed, fighting in the bed, in the living room, fight back. Oh me, chickies on the wild ride, chickies on the wild ride. Chickies really do fight back, fighting in the bed, fighting in the bed, in the living room, fight back. Oh me.
2008 goes out to all the ladies out there. Fight back. Para las mamacitas. Dale la lucha. Duro. Joe. Aaron. Keep up the jokes. And all the fellas out there, just lay back and enjoy the ride.
Chickies on the wild ride, chickies on the wild ride. Chickies really do fight back, fighting in the bed, fighting in the bed, in the living room, fight back. Oh we, chickies on the wild ride, chickies on the wild ride. Chickies really do fight back, fighting in the bed, fighting in the bed, in the living room, fight back.
Why
Oh
should we have to fall and take it all the way? Why won't we just get up and fight it too? Though we rock the world, they know it's true. It's time to get up on the show, baby. We have to show them glory, alright. So ladies, let us all rock them all.
Chickies on the wild ride, chickies on the wild ride. Chickies really do fight back, fighting in the bed, fighting in the bed, in the living room, fight back. Oh we, chickies on the wild ride, chickies on the wild ride. Chickies really do fight back, fighting in the bed, fighting in the bed, in the living room, fight back. Oh we.
You know, I've tried every way to explain it to you, but if you don't get it by now, You just can't get it.